Okay, here is lesson explaining mole calculations. So this is going from grams to moles and moles to grams. Previously, we practiced with finding molar mass. So I'm going to work through question 1 with you, and it looks something like this. How many moles are in 25 grams of water? So it's assumed that you know water is H2O. The other questions sort of give you the chemical formula, but this is one that you are supposed to know. So we find the molar mass. We look at the periodic table. We recognize we have 2 hydrogen atoms. So it's going to be 2 times, and from the periodic table, 1.01, plus oxygen atom. So from the periodic table, the 15.999 rounds to 16.00. In all of these molar mass calculations, I'm using 2 decimal places. Adding together gives 18.02 grams per mole. So that's actually going to end up being a conversion factor for us. Okay. How many moles are in 25 grams of water? So this is our starting information. We write that down. 25 grams of H2O. And what we're doing is we're trying to convert that grams into moles. How many moles? So like we just practiced, we're going to multiply by a conversion factor. And because grams are up here, grams have to go down here. So we know 18.02 grams is equivalent to or equal to 1 mole. And again, mole you can write like this, or you can abbreviate MOL. I know it's not much, but it is an abbreviation. Okay. Grams cancel with grams, and we will multiply numbers up top, divide by numbers on bottom. So 25 divided by 18.02. 25, where am I? Right here I am. 25 divided by 18.02 is 1.39 moles of H2O. Okay, so use that example and do the same for 1A, 1B, and 1C. I just worked these out, and I'm going to write down the answers for you so you can solve it and then check. 1A, I got 0.097 moles of sodium bromide. For 1B, I got 0.659 moles of PbSO4, that's lead sulfate. And for 1C, I got 1.47 moles of, and this looks like ammonium sulfate. Okay, so solve those through, check your answers, go back and look at the first example if you're not getting it, or ask me questions. And in part 2, we will solve number 2. Thanks.